Alright, most of you know that we've been having issues with our septic tanks for a while now. Well, we ripped down this wisteria and turned into a bigger job than it was meant to be. There was a big ass wisteria there, about 70 years old. That was done last week. This week we've had to rip all the pavers out. That guy there fucking pisses out everywhere. Stinks. Everything stinks. Had no idea where the leach drain was. I had a suspicion it was there. So I started digging it up, ready to put lawn in there. And bang, I found him. So far I've been at it for about an hour now trying to unclog it. Pulled all that shit there out. All that shit down in there out. Still going. And still yet to get some water coming through. So keep at it for a bit longer and see how we go.